Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of core Java programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Stream API with Iterator Method. So Stream API java.util.stream. So what is this Stream API with Iterator Method? So from Java 8, we got a new package, Java 8 version, java.util.stream. So using this new package, we can work with filtering of data, collection of data, printing of data, storing of data, iterating of data, and converting collection of data from one data structure to another data structure. So this package provides different classes and interfaces using which we can work with Stream API. And in this package, we have mainly methods using functional interfaces as input parameters. So functional interfaces contains only one abstract method. If you redefine that method using method references or lambda expression, so that will be enough for us. So what is this stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. Source. So source can be anything. Here it can be collections, arrays, or it can be input, output from any other IO stream. And this flow of data will be done to destination. So basically using stream, we are going to perform different operations: filtering, collecting, printing, sorting, mapping, etc. Right, so in this package we have stream interface. So in stream interface we have iterate method. So iterate, using which we can iterate a collection of elements. Okay, so allows us to iterate collection of elements or collection of data. Right, so if you see the description of this class, we are going to use iterate method, filter method, limit method, forEach method. Right, so first we'll go to the command prompt, issue the command java p -public java.util.stream stream interface. Right, so in this interface we have iterate method. So let us come to iterate method. So iterate method. So iterate method, it takes t comma unary operator. Okay, and it returns stream. Okay, let us understand all these methods one by one. And next we also have filter method, limit method, forEach method. So coming to the filter method, so this is a filter method which takes predicate functional interface as input parameter and returns a new stream. And then we also have a limit method. Okay, right, so limit method, it is used to limit number of values in the iteration. So this is the limit of long, and again it returns a new stream. And then we also have a forEach method. So for each element in the stream we can perform different operations. So where is this forEach method? Okay, so void forEach method. So coming to the forEach method, right, so it should be in the forEach method, which takes consumer class object reference as input parameter, which is a functional interface. So we can iterate. So t indicates first value, and then unary operator, which belongs to a functional package. Right, so if you see the description of java.util.function.unary operator, come to the command prompt. Right, so here we don't have any abstract methods. It is inherited from function interface, and function interface also belongs to function package java.util.function. So in function interface, which is a functional interface, we have apply method, only one abstract method. So it will take given value as input, it will apply some operation and returns a new value. So that we are going to use it with filter. So iterate. So we are going to iterate from beginning value t, and then we are going to perform unary operator. Okay, unary operator with function interface inherited abstract method to unary operator. Okay, so we'll apply some increment or decrement operation, and after that we use filter. So filter will take predicate, it will test the value true or false. So if we see the description of predicate functional interface, it contains test. So it will take our value, test the value and returns true or false, and that will be returned as a new string. And after that we are going to limit. So limit our values 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, and then finally for each. So for each element in a string we are going to apply the consumer functional interface. So if we see the description of consumer functional interface, it contains only one abstract method, which is accept. So it will accept our value, and then we have to use a lambda expression or method reference for this accept method. It does not return any value. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So generally Stream API is used in 3 steps. Okay, so Stream API for 3 steps. Okay, so step 1, take the source of elements. Step 2, apply some operations like filter, sort, map, iterate, and then collect or display the new data of elements using collect method or for each method. So now we are going to use for each method to display the iteration of elements. So let us do this with a small program. Java Stream API example2.java. So take a new page, first write comments at the beginning of the program, and then import java.util.stream package. Next, take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. Right. So first we'll see a small example for iterating the elements, same like a looping control structure. Okay. So this is like loops control structure. Right. So stream dot iterate method. So iterate method is a static method which is available in stream class. So we can use this directly with class name or interface name. Right. So it takes 2 parameters, t comma unary operator object reference. So t first value is 1. Okay. So unary operation, increment or decrement operation, we are doing it with a lambda expression. Okay. So to redefine function interface. So unary operator does not contains any abstract method, but it is inherited from function interface. In function interface we have apply method, and that apply method we are redefining with a lambda expression x arrow operator x plus 1, like incrementing our I value, which is something like 1. Right. So after that we are applying a filter dot filter, because iterate method, it returns a string. On this new stream I'm applying a filter. So filter method takes predicate as input parameter and returns a new string. So predicate. So coming to the predicate, so in predicate we have to test and return true or false. So take the value from the stream as x. Okay, lambda expression arrow operator. So 1 mod 2 reminder is equals to 0, true or false. So it will return true or false. Okay, and then again it will return a string. Okay, so filter method, again it will return a new stream. On that new streamed values we are filtering the data based on true or false. So if reminder is equals to 0, then it is an even number. So we'll get 2, 4, 6, 8 dot limit. So limit up to only 10 elements. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So these are the elements. So limit. So limit method. So if you see the limit method, again it returns a stream 2 to 20, only even objects, even elements. On this stream we are applying forEach method. So forEach method. So coming to the forEach method, it takes, okay, right. So where is the forEach method? So forEach method, it takes consumer object as input parameter. So in the consumer object functional interface, we have accept, and this accept we are redefining with a method reference. So system.out. So system.out indicates print stream class, double colon method reference. We are using println method. So each element from our stream will be printed on the output screen. So save this, come to the command prompt, and then compile the program. So Java C stream API. Okay. So stream, yeah, Java stream API example 2, example2.java. So compile it, no error, and then run it. Right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on till 20. So the limit is only 10 elements. You can take the limit as 20. You will get even numbers 20 times, starting from 1. Okay, so we got it till 40. Okay, we'll take till 10 limit. Okay, now here I'll change the filter method, input parameter with lambda expression, predicate. Okay, so x arrow operator x modulo 2 not equals to 0. So not equals to 0 means it is a odd number. So odd number 10 times, print it using forEach. So save it, recompile, and then run it. So we'll get it odd number 10 times. So this is how we have to use iterate method with stream API. So next I'll take a new line, empty new line. Okay, so after that new line I'm going to print multiples of 5. So same thing, stream dot static method iterate, initial value t1, and then we have to pass here unary operator object reference. Unary operator object reference does not contain any abstract method, so we have to get the abstract method from the base class, which is functional interface. X is equals to, lambda expression x arrow operator x plus 1, increment the value of 1, 2, 3, so on. So on this, so it returns a stream. On that stream we are applying a filter. So what is a filter? With predicate, redefined lambda expression, x arrow operator x modulo 5 equals to 0. Okay, so which means that if it is divisible by 5, so it is a multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we'll get a new string, and that string we are limiting up to only 10 elements. Okay, so 10 elements dot. We are again using forEach method with a method reference system.out println, which will print multiples of 5 from the stream onto the output screen. So save this, recompile, no error, and then run. So take a new line, after that multiples of 5, 10 times. Okay, if you want you can take multiples of 8 also. Okay, x mod 8 equals to 0. So multiples of 5 or 8. Save it, recompile, and then run. Okay, so 8, 16, 24, so on till 72, 80, 10 times. So this is called as chaining of methods from streams. Okay, so I'll write a note point here. So we can use stream API with chaining of methods. So chaining of methods based on return type. So in our case, iterate method will return a new string. On that new stream, we are applying filter method. Again, filter method will return a new stream. On that new stream, we are applying a limit. Limit again returns a new stream. On that new stream, we are applying a forEach. And forEach does not return any value. Okay, it returns void. So iterate, it returns a stream. Filter, it returns a stream. Limit, it returns a stream. forEach, it doesn't return directly. We are printing that data using system.out with println method reference. So this is how we are supposed to use stream API with iterate method. So same like a looping control structure, and then apply filters, maps, forEach, or else collect method as per our requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.